Hey guys, hope all of you are doing great. In this YouTube video, I want to share how to import demo content of a theme in WordPress. Before starting video, please support me for more videos. Subscribe the channel and like the video. You can claim for any topic for the next videos. I will do my best to help you. Let's get started. Here is the theme. My theme is Wood Mart, and I choose the glasses demo of this theme. This theme is one of the most popular theme for WordPress. Here is the demo that we are going to install. Okay, I like this theme. It's smooth, light, and have the soft colors. Now let's jump to the WordPress admin panel and get started to install our theme. Here is our website admin panel. Click Appearance to see uploaded themes, and as you can see, my current theme is 2022. It is standard installed by WordPress. Click Add New and then upload new theme. I have installed setup files for the theme. Drag and drop the zip file and press Install Now. Okay, the uploading will take time. It's been uploaded and it is unpackaging. Click Activate to publish theme. We are redirecting to theme setting. Click Let's Start. Okay, we have to activate the theme with our purchase code. You can find your purchase code in your downloads page in the theme force panel. Copy that code and activate your theme. After activation, click Next for continue the theme installation. Okay, you can install the child theme, but it is not required. If you are planning to change the theme codes, you should use child theme. Without using child theme, if you have changed some codes after updation of your theme, your codes will maybe deleted. So you have to be very carefully. You have to make a decision to use child theme or not. It depends on you. Child theme is required for me, and I will click Install. Click Next. Click Next. In this part, you should choose the page builder. You can choose Elementor or WP Bakery. I will go with Elementor. You can choose any of it. In this section, the required plugins are listed. Install the required one, and I will install all of them. Okay, the installation is completed. Let's go to the next step. Okay, in this part, we will choose our theme. Dummy content means demo content, which prepared by theme support. In this step, I will choose my glasses demo from the list. Here is it, I found it, and click Import to import the dummy content. Great. It is importing now. We are done. Great. Okay, we are done. Let's view the homepage after installation. Excellent. We have all the content are imported successfully. You have to change your logo. You have to change the logo, images, and text, and then your theme is ready. Okay, guys. I hope this video helps you. Take care. Bye.